Lentils make this warm, smoky salad a nutritional powerhouse, adding texture and flavour alongside plenty of plant-based protein. We've added cheese, but it would be just as nice with some cooked skinless chicken or chunky roast veggies. Start off by peeling and chopping the cooked peppers. Mix them with the cherry tomatoes and season to your liking. Next, fry the onion with smoked paprika until softened. Then add 2 tins of drained, rinsed lentils. Add a splash of water if needed and gently heat them through. While they're warming, fry or poach the eggs till they're cooked to your liking. Divide everything between 4, crumble over the cheese and rocket, and enjoy.